So this is my solar system model. So this is the sun. I used a giant candy box. Then these are my planets. I made them from like clay. So this is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, and also I took one AU as 6 centimeters. So then this is the asteroid belt. As you can see, like the asteroids are all different. Then this is Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system that has rings, but they're very small and they're hard to see. Then this is Saturn, the planet that has the biggest rings. They're the easiest to see. Then this is Uranus. It also has rings and it is a lot of water on it. And then this is Neptune, the most blue planet in the solar system and the farthest away from the sun, if you don't count Pluto, which I didn't make. Pluto is a dwarf planet and it is the farthest away from the sun, but the farthest away from the sun planet is Neptune. So this was my solar system model. Here's a big view of it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, so this is my planet fighting. This fire is Venus. This ice is Neptune. Since there's a lot of since Venus is very hot, it would probably like just melt Venus. And even though Venus has a lot of moons and a lot of rings, they could like help him protect himself. Venus is made of very strong material that is like it is like made of iron and it is hard to break. So, and there's also a lot like lava or hot liquid in the middle. So if Venus got breaking through, it could use its lava to melt Neptune. Unless it's running some fires very quickly. Okay. That was my video, thank you. Also, here are the facts about Venus and Neptune. Venus is we can call it the hot planet. From space view, it is white because it has a lot of clouds that make it look white, but it is bright yellow. Its size is in diameter 651.6050 on 0.8 kilometers. It has an iron core in the rocky mantle. Its usual temperatures from 820 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. It is made of its atmosphere is made of carbon dioxide. It has no moons and it has no rings. It is the second brightest natural object in the sky, and it is named after a Roman goddess. Neptune, you can call it the ice planet, is blue. Its size is 49,244 kilometers. It is made of icy material. Its usual temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius negative 200 degrees Celsius, negative 424 degrees Fahrenheit. Its atmosphere is made of hydrogen, helium, and methane. It has 14 moons and 5 rings. It is named after a Roman sea god. So this was my fighting video. Thanks for watching and bye. So in the battle video, what you saw was the fire was Venus, because Venus is a very hot planet and fire is very hot, and then the ice cubes were Neptune, because Neptune is mostly made of ice. And so the fire was 2 centimeters long, and the size of the ice cubes was 10 centimeters. And basically the since ice usually melts, Venus would just melt Neptune, and even though Neptune has rings and moons, Neptune is made of iron and stuff, and it is hard to break through. And even if it does get broken through, it also has a lava middle or something, like the thing that Earth has. So so that would also melt Neptune, and then that's the reason Neptune would probably lose the battle. And so even though Venus is much smaller, it would still win. So for the opportunity, I have to describe about the 4 scientists: Copernicus, Galileo, Brahe, and Kepler. So Galileo, he was the one that made the telescope better, and then he used it to see the phases of Venus and observe the largest satellites of Jupiter, and also observe Saturn's rings. Then Nicholas Copernicus was an astronomer who created the heliocentric system model that told that all planets orbit the sun. And Brahe used spheres that were physically represented on a model of the sky, and developed the satellites map and the planetary movement. He detailed mathematical tables that astronomers used for centuries, and he also correctly positioned positions of the fixed stars. And the last one I'm gonna tell about is Kepler. So he was an astronomer who discovered that Earth and planets travel on their orbit. He gave them 3 fundamental laws of planetary motion, and so yeah, this is my speech for the opportunity. Thanks for watching. Bye.